la 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 la. That's Tom's house.
Knew he should have entered. No, he's dead.
Hey Phil. What you doing? Yeah, we're watching a tour up in the Cloud9 restaurant up in the West End. So we're in a big revolving restaurant, and as I'm talking to you, I'm taking footage, recording footage on my. Oh, and I got it. Just we're talking, Phil. A whole bunch of hits just came, and I just recorded them on my camera.
That's Alien.
I got that one.
Oh, you good. Oh, you can hear that. Oh, did you get that one? Cool.
I love the ring.
You did? Wow, cool.
What's that Eddie Rabbit song? Is that it? No, that's Eddie Money.
Wow, excellent. Is it fun? Make sure everything's safe at home. Windows are closed and everything. Is it raining there? We need rain.
The tempo and the time.
Is it raining like crazy? Can you make sure all the windows are no water's coming in any of the rooms? Got it. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Yeah, I think we are. I'm seeing it from right down in the water, though. I'm right in the downtown area. So. Cool. Yeah, it's really neat. I get some amazing lightning hits, some good footage. Oh, okay, buddy. Make sure the windows are closed.
Yeah.
Cheers.
I got that.
I got all these.
That was 4.
Because I got a big 2 gig card in right now. This is rolling
Bastard.
recording, right? Or sorry,
Oh, yeah.
8 gig card. I meant to say.
Move my finger.
Card. Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm on record.
That's right.
I won't zoom in though.
Watch out.
Got it.
Got it. Need it.
That's Mount Seymour there. To the east. Which is that way?
Another one over there. Yeah. But it's sort of scattered.
This is neat.
I got a bunch anyway.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh yeah.
Got those ones.